Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2023 Chevrolet Traverse LT model. Really in beautiful shape. It's got about 18,000 miles in it. Really beautiful condition. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of it. Very nice. 18,000 miles on a 23. Good mileage. Very nice. Okay, let's go ahead and take a closer look. Front fender on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Really nice shape. Really beautiful condition. All right, now let's take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful shape. Super clean throughout, very nice condition. Let's take a look at the headlamp here. On the passenger side, beautiful shape, looks good. Lower light, beautiful condition, very nice. Grill's in beautiful shape. Take a look at the other one. Headlamp on the driver's side looks amazing. Lower light also in beautiful condition, looks super clean. Let's take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Very nice. It's got a little blemish here on the hood, a little blemish there and there. Besides, that's in beautiful shape. Windshield's in good condition, looks good. Let's have a tiny little mark right there. Besides, that looks good. Let's take a look on the passenger side. Passenger side has a little chip there, there, and there. Besides, that looks good. All right, take a look at the front fender on the passenger side. Beautiful condition, looks clean. Really nice shape. Passenger door looks good. Let's take a look at the mirror on it. Mirror looks really nice. Beautiful condition. Take a look at the door itself. Really nice condition. Clean throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the moldings. The glass looks good. Nice condition. Take a look at the passenger side rear door, also in beautiful shape. Clean throughout, very nice condition. Take a look at the quarter panel on the passenger side, beautiful shape. Clean throughout, very nice condition. Walking around the back here, let's take a look at the lights. The lights look good, beautiful shape. Clean throughout. Rear hatch is in beautiful condition. Take a look at the glass and the spoiler here. Looks amazing. Very nice. Rear bumper's in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Okay, quarter panel on the driver's side looks good. Clean throughout. Very nice shape. Rear door on the driver's side also in beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Very nice shape. Front door on the driver's side looks amazing. Beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the roof. Roof looks good. Let's give it a quick walk here. Very nice shape. Really nice condition. That's pretty much our walk around on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at this, very nice shape. Take a look at the controls. Beautiful condition. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Very nice, little bit of storage there on the bottom. Controls for the rear hatch. Really nice. Power seat for the driver. Cloth seats in beautiful shape. Look at that, really amazing condition. Dashboard steering looks amazing. Beautiful shape all the way through. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition, looks super clean. Look at the armrest, great shape. Controls for the power locks, power windows. Very nice, a little bit of storage there on the bottom. Let's take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Really amazing condition, super clean. Cloth is in great shape. Look at that, very nice. This is a manual seat, but it's in beautiful shape regardless. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks amazing. Really nice condition all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear. Driver's side door panel, look at that, amazing condition, looks super clean. Very nice shape all the way through. Look at that, beautiful shape. Very nice. A little bit of storage there on the bottom. Rear seat on the driver's side, beautiful shape. Take a look at the floor mats, beautiful condition. Very nice. Let's take a look at the third row real quick. Beautiful shape throughout, look at that, amazing condition. We're taking a look at the rear. Passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, looks good. Armrest is in great shape. Controls look good. Very nice. Take a look at the rear seat here on the passenger side. Beautiful condition. Full set of floor mats. It's got controls here in the center for the AC. USBs. Rugs are in great shape. Look at this. Full set of floor mats. Very nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at the third row. Rubber floors all the way back, all to the back. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Up above here, take a look. AC vents on the roof. Courtesy lights all the way through. Really nice condition. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2023 Chevrolet Traverse. There's a key fob forward here. Lock, unlock, remote start, panic, and rear power hatch. Super nice. All right, we're gonna set the key down here in the cup holder. This one has a push button start, really nice. So we're gonna press the brake. We're gonna push the start button. There you go, starts right up. Take a look at all the gauges, fully functional. As you can see on these GM products, the gauges go all the way up and back down. That's letting you know it's all functioning correctly. Let's take a look at the mileage on this one right away here. This one has 18,354 miles. Super nice mileage for a 23. This one has the RPM gauge, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, miles per hour. It's got a little information center here in the center here. We can scan through that. Look at that. Super nice. And we'll go ahead and leave it on miles per hour. Here we go. Very nice. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Steering wheel's in beautiful shape. I believe this is leather wrapped. Looks really nice. Beautiful condition. Looks brand new. Controls for the cruise control. The distance, here we go. The collision alert in the front. You can set up different distance on that. We'll leave it further away. Controls for the information center. We just used it. And then this one has the controls for the radio. Volume here. And on the other side, it has it for the changing the radio stations. Super nice. All right, let's take a look at the controls for the windows, mirrors, automatic lights, power locks, rear power hatch. You can adjust the height. Super nice. Take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Looks amazing. Very nice. Beautiful shape all the way through. Really amazing condition. All right, let's take a look at the center console here. Automatic transmission with manual shift modes here on the side. Power brake release. There's the controls for the transmission here. Different settings. You could put it on winter. There's a regular one, and this is for towing, that other one there. This for the lane alert, letting you know when somebody's in the lane. This is to bypass the engine shutoff. This car has that. It shuts off when you're at the light, and then it turns back on as soon as you let go of the brake. AC and everything still runs. This is really nice. It has a charging pad here for your phone, wireless charging pad. Power here. Auxiliary, 2 USBs. Take a look, heated seats on both sides. Super nice. Nice feature for you guys up north in cold weather. You can set a temperature on the driver's side and on the passenger side different. See that? And it shows you here on the screen when you make the changes. Super nice. Up above here, the programmable garage door openers. OnStar, the courtesy light controls. Visors with LEDs. Super nice. Let's take a look at the radio on this one. Let's go back to home. Okay, so we're looking at the audio controls. Let's look at all the settings here. There you go. so you can add more sources or whatever. So this one has right now the Bluetooth, XM radio, AM, FM. Somebody had added Spotify and Pandora. So that's super nice. There you go for your phone connection, Wi-Fi connection right there. There it is. You can subscribe to that. Users, that's where you can set up the user profile. It's super nice. Settings, here we go. Let's take a look at that real quick. The regular settings, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, seat reminder for the rear passenger, collision detection. Let's take a look at all the safety features on this one. Forward collision, forward pedestrian detection, lane change alert, rear backup camera with symbols, and rear cross traffic alert. Super nice. There you go. We got some more settings here. That's for the climate control. Check that out. Go back again to home. My Chevrolet, XM radio, audiobook, Spotify, camera. There you go. It's the rear camera on that one. Let's go back to home again. That's the home page there. Press home again. There's the radio stations on. If you have anything on your phone, it'll show you right there. Okay, super nice. Really nice condition. Let's take a quick look at the liner on this one. It's got air vents on the roof all the way to the third passenger, which is super nice. Liner's in really great shape. Really nice condition. Okay, that's pretty much it on this one. I'll take a look at the armrest here. It's got a little tray here for storage down below with a light. That's nice. Really beautiful condition all the way through. Okay, guys, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a little test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive here. Here we go. A lot of power. Feels super smooth. Really nice. Really beautiful drive. Okay, next step is we're going to go ahead and test out the backup camera. We'll do that in a second. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put it in reverse. There we go. Fantastic. Look at that. Okay, perfect. So of course it has a little squiggly line there to show you which way it's turning when you roll back. And I believe it has a setting here for a trailer, and that's for the hitch, if you can see there. See if you have a hitch or whatever. Fantastic. Okay, that's pretty much about it. So that concludes our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment and take a look at all the tires. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the cargo area in the back. Take a look at the remote. Just got to press the hatch twice. There you go. Super nice. All right, let's take a look. Cargo space is in beautiful shape. You can see there it has the rubber mats even on the back of the seats there. Really nice. That means these rugs on the bottom should be brand new, which they look brand new. Look at that. Very nice condition. It's got a little power plug there. Beneath this, a little bit of storage area there. Beneath that, you take those 4 screws off there, and the spare tire is mounted down there with all the tools. Super nice. Let's go ahead and close the door. Power, of course. Here we go. Really nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is in beautiful shape. Look at that, really amazing condition. Super clean. Looks really nice. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire's in great shape. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and outstanding condition. Let's take a closer look. Really amazing shape. Look at that. Very nice condition all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side. Tire looks good. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in outstanding condition. Look at that. Very nice shape. Beautiful condition throughout. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side looks good. Very nice shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the rim. Rim's in really nice shape. Look at that. Not a mark on it. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front. Passenger side tire. Tire looks brand new. Amazing condition on the tread there. Looks really nice. Rim is clean and in outstanding condition. Look at that. Very nice condition. Bridgestone tires. Amazing. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2023 Chevrolet Traverse LT model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Really in outstanding shape. Very nice condition. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.